go copy your 2/6 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I am back with another video for y'all. As you guys can see, this is a little different. I am in my car, actually about to go out to get some cereal and some milk. And guys, so today's video is just like, you know, to answer your questions to why I wear my do-rag everywhere that I go. Okay, a lot of people ask me that question, like, do you ever take your do-rag off? The answer to that is stay tuned and find out. What's up, guys? I am back, and yeah, just got some cereal. They were very expensive. I have no idea why. Last week they were $1.99, and today they were $5.99. What happened? Maybe it's the coronavirus. The coronavirus. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I have my do-rag on still. Just went to the supermarket, got some cereal, still have my do-rag on. I do not leave the house without my do-rag, simply because you guys can see as I started this video, when I was brushing my hair, doing my morning routine, I did not have a hoodie on. I don't put my hoodie on unless I have my do-rag on, all right? So took my do-rag on when I woke up, did my little brush session, and after I put my do-rag back on, then I put my hoodie on. I don't take my shirt off, anything off, simply because I don't want my hair to be all frizzy or messed up when I take the shirt off or when I put the hoodie on. Then other reason why I keep my do-rag on is because I don't want the seat to mess up the back of my head. I don't want the hood to mess up my hair, because I always like to, you know, have my hood on when I'm out, because like I don't know, I just like to have my hood on. I feel safer, I feel just better with my hood on. All right, so guys, about to head home now, and yeah, I will catch you guys in a few. Alright, so guys, we are back. So yeah, those are kind of the reasons why I always wear my do-rag. And then again, when I'm wolfing, I don't like my hair to be messy. I want my hair to be super laid all the times in order to maintain my wolf. That's why I keep my do-rag on all the time. The only time I don't wear my do-rag is when I'm at work teaching karate, and I just take my do-rag off just to look professional, but I don't sweat as much, so it's really no consequences to taking my do-rag off. It stays laid and everything, and after I'm done, I put it right back on. Only time another time I don't wear my do-rag is when I get like a fresh cut, like a 1.5. Keep my do-rag, take my do-rag off because my hair's not really as long, you know, as when I'm wolfing. So it's just like it doesn't get as messy and it lays back down very easily. So that's the time you will catch me without my do-rag on most of the time. Or if I'm going out, you know, somewhere professional, don't wear my do-rag. But every single day, wake up, keep my do-rag on, and only time I don't have my do-rag on is when I'm having a breath session. Just did my morning routine this morning, and I'm going to do my next session in about 2 or 3 hours after I finish editing this video and uploading it. And then that's the next time my do-rag is gonna come off. Then I have to go to teach class, and my do-rag is gonna come off again, and then it's gonna come right back on for the rest of the night until I do my night routine. So guys, yeah, that's basically it. Always have my do-rag on. This is why I keep my do-rag on, because now at this stage of this wave game, I don't really care about looks anymore. I just care about progress. So I don't care how my hairline looks. I don't care how anything looks. I don't care if you don't see my waves. As long as I know that I'm progressing. And the reason I keep my do-rag on is to keep my hair laid and keep my progress, because I work hard for it, you feel me? So I can't just let it go to waste like that by taking my do-rag off, letting my hair be frizzy and all over the place. You know, when you have waves, it's all about looks. Like, you gotta keep your hair looking healthy and keep it looking wavy. You know, you can't have your hair looking messy, you know, because you never know when you're gonna have to do a wave check. So you always gotta keep your waves neat and laid and super nice under the do-rag, just in case somebody calls you out for a wave check. You know, just wave check, show them, shut them up, and move on. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this little quick video. It's just a little random video, nothing too educational, just to let you know why I wear my do-rag. And you may have your own reasons to why you wear a do-rag. This is my reason to why I wear my do-rag all the time. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.